In today's video, we are going to show you how to add extensions in Mozilla Firefox on your PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Mozilla Firefox on your computer and make sure you are connected to the internet so you can access the extensions store, which is located on the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. I want you to click on it. Here, you have multiple options. All I have to do is very simple. Click the extensions and themes. And as you can see, there is a shortcut button if you press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. If you are using a Mac, that's going to be Command plus Shift plus A. After clicking that, you will be forwarded here. Now, as you will notice, the extensions is in the left side area of the navigation. All I have to do is click on it. Mozilla Firefox will recommend some extensions that could help you boost productivity. And adding these kind of really is a powerful features in just a few clicks. For example, if you wanted to add image max URL, all I have to do is very simple. Click the Add to Firefox and click the Add button. Once you've done that, I want you to click the puzzle icon here and click the gear icon settings. Now, you have more controls over that recently added extension. You can move it down, you can manage, and if you want to remove that specific extension, you can do so. But the most important thing is if you wanted to pin to toolbar, you can do that as well. It's very simple. And that's how to add extensions in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.